But as you can see, I'm back. And so, hey guys, it's Diego, and now we'll be playing a Roblox game. And so, today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button. And recently, guys, I wanna say, I can't have the camera so you can see me like all the videos I always do. Like, I know I always have my camera while I'm playing a game, but this time I can't because I'm trying to find the camera thingy, the camera. I'm trying to find it so I can put, so I can put up. Oh, wait. Okay, I seen it. It's still not there. Okay, so I can put a check on it, and so I can have my camera, but I don't see anything. I don't see the word camera, so I can put a check on it so I can have my camera. So I mean, I can't have it. So sorry guys, I will not be using my camera for this video, or maybe next video too, because I don't know why I can't find the camera button. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. Let's play the game, okay? The video will be 20 minutes long, okay? Okay, the video will be 20 minutes long. Hey yo, what the hell is that noise? Like literally, what is this game? I gotta have my camera up because, bro, like what the heck is that noise? Dude, what the heck is that noise? Yo, it's hurting my ears. There we go. Like, what the heck was that noise? Alright, let's see. Oh no! Tsunami! No, jump. Uh-oh. There we go. I made it the first try. Oh my god! I survived. Oh, that was a close one. Wait, do I get down now? Alright, I get down now. Let's go, I made it. Ah, what the heck? Ah. What the heck is it? Oh no! God, we gotta stop popping, or we're all gonna pop down. We're gonna fall down. No. We gotta keep moving. Oh no! I can't fall. No, please, I don't wanna fall. I see some saved. Okay, I'm saved. Next challenge. What the hell? Did I just die by something stupid? Uh-oh. What? But I dodged that. Oh, come on. I literally dodged that. Oh, no. I know this game, guys. First, we're gonna stay here because, yup, be careful. Alright, let's go. Like, when I first played this, I died in the first try, bruh. Okay, we gotta go. Bruh, I literally died in the first try. Oh no, this is gonna be much harder, guys. Alright, let's go. Where's the ball? Hello? Oh, okay, there it is. Let's go. Alright, right now we're doing good, guys, okay? Right now, we're doing excellent. Hello? Alright, we're doing good. Bro, girl, you're gonna die. Careful. You guys could die. Alright, let's go. Okay, no one got the top. Well, that's... Oh, come on. This one again. Ah! No! You gotta be kidding me, bruh. They've gone without me. Sorry, guys. We'll put a little bit pause. Okay, recently these people are doing great. Alright, then, oh, crap. Watch out. There's a ball coming there. Careful. There's a ball coming there. No, girl, she's gonna die. Oh wait, no, he actually made it. Oh my god, bro, he could have died. Oh my god, I think they're almost. Yeah, I think they're almost there, guys. I think they only need 4 more. Oh, careful! Alright then, 3, 2, 1. End of the game. Nobody won. Man, that one was actually close. Whoa! A parkour? I've gotta be careful, bro. Uh-oh, much harder. No! How the hell did I die? Ah! I gotta do this again. Out of the way. Diamond. My diamond. Wait, what the heck? This is a ring. Oh, yo, I thought it was a ring. Wait, what the hell? Ah! No, why me? Bro, why are you going after me? Why is it always me, bro? Why am I always the first one? Shut up. Shut up. Oh, yo, what the hell? Are we in heaven? Whoa, we are in heaven. No, we're not in heaven. We're in the universe. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe. Give me the diamond. No! Oh, what next, guys? It's only been 7 minutes. Wait, what's going on? Oh no! Chairs! Nope! Haha! Bro, how do I throw them? Bro, how do I throw them? Yo! I'm gonna die! Oh no! No! Please, only 9 more seconds! Holy crap! Yay! We did it! Alright, damn it. Wait, what the hell disappeared? Well, I don't care. I only get coins. Wait, what's this game? No! God damn it, I died in the first try. Anyways, who cares? Like this game is actually pretty hard anyways. Okay guys, so there's 20 seconds more. Okay. 20 seconds left, guys. God damn it, music, you guys can't hear me. Oh wait, now you can hear me. Hey yo, what the hell? Ah! Wait, what the hell? Three in a row bomb? No! Yeah, I won! I'm winning! Yeah, I won! I'm the only one who won! Woohoo! Let's go! I'm pressing the button. Yeah, because I won, I get to press the button. Oh, speed run! Like Sonic? Oh, don't forget, Sonic the Hedgehog 2 is it's unavailable now. Anyways, let me try that again. Alright, now let's do this thing again. Right, come on, guys. sucks. Ah man, I think that's the hardest part. Holy crap! Only 10 seconds left. Hurry up before time is up. Come on, mama. No, I couldn't win, bruh. God damn it, bruh. Can't believe it. Anyways, oh, okay. Now what? Wow. Wow. What's going on? Wow. What do you want me to do? Whoa, what do you want me to do? I'm just gonna do anything. I'm getting the diamond. Oh, I was supposed to press the button many times. God, oh man, I should have listened. Wait, really? Let me see. Ducks. Yes. Alright, let me get one. Oh, that one fell. Come on, over here. Hey, how do I get that one? Oh yeah, I got it. Over here. Where's the duck? There's one carry. What? What do you mean 4 ducks? I have 4 ducks. It's a tie. That's so unfair, bro. Oh. Alright, no concentration. I mean, yeah, I need to be concentrated. Bro, girl, get out of the way. Can't you see someone's gonna beat me? Girl, get out of the way. God damn it, he got in first. It's all your fault, girl. You were in the way. Bro, I got in second because of cool girl Sophie. It's all your fault. It's all your fault, girl. Come on, get out of the way next time. God damn it. Anyways, 8 more minutes, guys. 8 more minutes and I'll end the video. Okay, so let's see if we can do like 5 more rounds. Usually. Hey, I'm gonna put the goddamn button, you stupid. Uh-oh. I gotta keep moving. Oh, wait. If I keep running, it's not gonna disappear. Just keep running. Why am I not? No. Oh. No. Bro, how can I not jump? What the hell? I can't jump. Why can I not jump? Uh-oh. The camera's not working. The camera's not working, guys. Oh, let me put a little bit pause. Yeah, sorry, guys. I had to leave the game because I try to move around my head so I can see things, but I just couldn't because it just makes my head smaller, you know, so I can see my face on my head. So I have to leave the game. So now I'm getting a new game. Wait, what the hell was that, Baldy? Spanking a kid. Alright, never mind. Just 6 more minutes, guy. Okay. Oh my God, brush. Bro. I said brush. I meant bruh. Oh. Bumps. Bruh, I win this. I won this. I'm gonna win it again. Dude, I'm gonna win this again. No. Oh my God. Bro, stop throwing it at me. No. Guys, stop throwing at me. Wait, is that girl? No. Bro, I swear to God, that's that girl. It's that girl trying to make me die. Well, I'll make her die. Take that. No! Careful! Do not throw it at me! Yeah, we all winners! Yeah, but last time I won. I'm gonna press the bottom. Oh, not this again! Do not throw it at me. Get out of the way. Holy crap! I hope a bomb doesn't. Oh no! No! I'm dead! Yeah, he's dead, but I'm not. Anyways, wait, I'm the only one alive. No, please, I can't die. Okay, I think I'm safe in here. I won again by myself. Second in a row. Well, not actually, because yeah, we just did one, and everybody usually wins. Not mostly everybody. Anyways, the button's on fire. Oh no! The fire! It's right here. Okay, I need to put. Okay, what do I do? Oh! Wait, did we what? Did we did it? I think we did it. Yeah, I think we did it. Oh wait, you press the button, girl. I need that diamond. No! Stupid girl. Never mind. Take it back from you. Oh, the dog challenge again. Okay, little doggies. I mean duckies. Oh. What? I got one. Oh, that's just. Oh wait, no, I actually got it. Oh yeah, let's go. Yes, got it. Where are they falling? Oh, they're falling over here. Yeah, I'm doing it. I think I'm winning. Oh, wait. Yay, I won! Let's go! Sorry, guys. My mom interrupted me, so... But you still saw the sign about me winning. Yeah, I won. I won with 6 dogs. Let's go! I'm a genius! Anyways, 3 more... What the hell? Anyways, 3 more minutes. Wait a minute. What's going on? Who just exploded? What the? Ow! Not again! Wait, I didn't even get to see what's back behind. Damn it, I gotta stop seeing his face and see what's gonna happen actually. I'm gonna press the button. Oh. 3 more minutes, guys. Okay, 3 more. Wait, what is this thing? Oh, come on. I hate this one. I don't think I'm gonna win it. Ugh. Yo, and I really need to get... I really need to... No! Why did I fail? You know what? Screw it. I'm not doing this challenge. I'm just gonna get my diamond and coin. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to the bathroom. Sorry. I was gonna say a bad word, but I didn't mean to. Okay. Holy crap! Oh no! I had my video paused all this time. Okay, so here's what happened. We played Squid Game. Uh-oh. Nah, this is easy. Nothing bad's gonna happen. You see? I survived. Wait, what happened? Nah, I think I won. Yep, I did it. I won. Yeah, that was easy. I didn't even touch the spot. Okay, the blue one. We're gonna say red because it's my favorite one. Yeah, we did the same thing, but I think we could do like one more. I think it's this one. Wait, what the heck is this? Uh-oh. Oh! Alright, I'm done for today. Okay, guys, yeah, I said okay, guys, because, yeah. Anyways, it's only been 19 minutes, but because I don't want to play anymore. Okay, I know that hasn't been 20 minutes, but I still want to quit. Okay, that was my dad, okay? You didn't hear his voice, okay? Whatever. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more, guys, okay? So I'll see you later, okay? Bye! Da -da -da -da.